Digital Marketing Crash Course, Content Marketing. Introduction. In the ever-evolving world of digital marketing, content marketing has emerged as a powerful strategy to engage, educate, and inspire audiences. Through the creation and distribution of valuable and relevant content, businesses can establish their brand authority, build meaningful connections, and drive profitable actions. In this crash course on content marketing, we will explore its significance, share captivating stories and examples, delve into the top 12 content marketing techniques, and conclude with an original poem and song that encapsulate the essence of this topic. So, let's embark on this exciting journey into the world of content marketing. Chapter 1: The Power of Content Marketing. Content marketing has transformed the way businesses connect with their target audience. Rather than focusing solely on promoting products or services, content marketing aims to provide value and address the needs of the audience. By offering informative, entertaining, or educational content, businesses can establish themselves as trusted sources of information and thought leaders in their industry. Example story: the story of a recipe blog. Meet Sarah, a passionate food enthusiast who decided to start a recipe blog. With her love for cooking and storytelling, she shared her culinary adventures, kitchen tips, and mouth-watering recipes through engaging blog posts and visually appealing images. Sarah's blog quickly gained popularity among food lovers who appreciated her authentic voice and expertise. Over time, her blog became a go-to resource for food enthusiasts worldwide. This led to opportunities for partnerships with renowned food brands, sponsorships, and even the publication of her very own cookbook. Sarah's success story exemplifies the power of content marketing in building a thriving online presence. Chapter 2: Top 12 Content Marketing Techniques. 1. Define your target audience. To create impactful content, it's essential to understand your audience's demographics, interests, pain points, and preferred channels of communication. 2. Develop a content strategy. A well-defined content strategy outlines your goals, identifies content themes, and establishes a consistent publishing schedule to keep your audience engaged. 3. Create compelling blog posts. Write in-depth and well-researched blog articles that provide valuable insights, practical tips, or entertaining stories to captivate your readers. 4. Leverage video content. Embrace the power of video by creating engaging and informative videos that showcase your products, share tutorials, or tell compelling brand stories. 5. Engage on social media. Use social media platforms to connect with your audience, share bite-sized content, encourage conversations, and amplify the reach of your brand. 6. Develop interactive content. Interactive content, such as quizzes, polls, and contests, encourages active participation from your audience and enhances their overall experience. 7. Launch a podcast. Tap into the growing popularity of podcasts by sharing industry insights, conducting interviews with experts, and providing valuable audio content for your audience to enjoy on the go. 8. Create downloadable resources. Offer downloadable resources like e-books, guides, templates, or checklists that provide in-depth information and further establish your expertise. 9. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers or industry experts to co-create content, leverage their reach, and tap into their dedicated followers who align with your target audience. 10. Encourage user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences, testimonials, or creative content related to your brand. User-generated content not only fosters a sense of community but also serves as social proof. 11. Implement email marketing campaigns. Develop personalized and targeted email campaigns to nurture leads, share valuable content, and build long-lasting relationships with your audience. 12. Optimize for search engines. Incorporate search engine optimization (SEO) techniques into your content to improve organic visibility, attract relevant traffic, and enhance your website's ranking on search engine result pages. Summary: content marketing has revolutionized the way businesses engage with their audience, focusing on providing value and building lasting relationships. By understanding your target audience, developing a robust content strategy, and utilizing various content marketing techniques, you can establish your brand as an authority, drive traffic, and achieve business objectives. In conclusion, content marketing is a dynamic and ever-evolving discipline that requires continuous innovation, creativity, and adaptation to stay ahead in the digital landscape. By crafting compelling stories, creating valuable content, and leveraging the power of various channels, businesses can successfully connect with their audience, foster brand loyalty, and drive sustainable growth. Poem. In the realm of digital marketing's embrace, content reigns supreme, captivating space. Blogs and videos, stories unfold, engaging the audience, hearts to behold. With understanding of their deepest desires, targeting the audience, igniting fires. Strategy in place, a compass in hand, guiding the journey to success we command. Videos inspire, their visuals grand, podcasts resonate, voices expand. Downloadable resources, knowledge untold, e-books and guides, a treasure to behold. Influencers unite, collaborations ignite, user-generated content, shining bright. Email campaigns nurture, bonds we create, SEO optimization, enhancing our fate. Content, the heart, the core of our quest, creating connections, standing the test. With each piece we share, a story to tell, fueling engagement, building a spell. So embrace content marketing, with open arms, let creativity soar, as your brand alarms. Connect, engage, and watch your business thrive. Through the power of content, you will truly arrive. Song. Verse 1. In the digital realm, where content holds sway, we tell our stories in a captivating way. Blogs and videos, they light up the screen, engaging the audience, like never seen. Chorus. Content marketing, the key to our success, creating connections, we're truly blessed. With each piece we share, a story to tell, fueling engagement, we cast a spell. Verse 2. Influencers unite, their influence we borrow, user-generated content, building tomorrow. Email campaigns nurture, relationships grow, SEO optimization, our visibility will show. Bridge. Downloadable resources, a wealth to embrace, e-books and guides, knowledge we chase. Podcasts in our ears, wisdom we find, social media platforms, a community we bind. Chorus. Content marketing, the heartbeat of our plan, connecting with audiences, building a loyal clan. Through creativity and value, we'll rise above. In the world of digital marketing, we'll find our love. Outro. So, embrace content marketing's powerful reign, craft your stories, let your brand's voice gain. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. *******